Nepal. So today I'm making okra. It's a spicy okra with the spices because I've seen a lot of people just do like fried okras. I love fried okra, but then when you add a little bit of flavor in okra, it tastes so good. And these are Kentucky grown okras. I think you guys are very, very lucky that you are in Kentucky. We have different season here, so you get a chance to like try all these different vegetables. Everything is from farmers market.
She just throw them bad boys up and put them right in there, diced it up. Oh, honey. Oh, tell you what, my stomach thinks my throat thinks that smells so good.
These are really good. This is one of my favorite dish.
Oh, mine too now. Yeah, so now she's going to add the ham parts on top. It has that smokiness to it. This is a perfectly nice dish. Love it. I've eaten curry in a lot of places from here to LA, and this is probably one of the best curries I've ever had. I don't miss the meat. I'm telling you, it's so good. He licked the plate clean right here. He loved it. I'm telling you what, it was just wonderful.